Let's make onigiri with DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce.
Hey y'all, so we're getting ready to make the seasoning that we're going to season our rice to make the onigiri. So we have 1/4 cup of rice flour. Turn on the stove, that would make sense. 1 cup of rice flour. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna whisk all this together. And we just basically we're just waiting for the salt and the sugar to dissolve. And this will be part of how we're gonna season our sushi rice.
So we're gonna make the sauce that I'm gonna glaze on the onigiri. So I have some soy sauce. And don't worry, I'll have the measurements on my DivineKuizine website. We have some sweet chili sauce, real simple, and some sesame seed oil. So this will go on the outer side. We'll brush this on the outer side of them. Okay, so now we have our sushi rice. The sushi rice that I use the premium medium grade sushi rice. So basically what you do is you take 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sushi rice, 3 cups of water, boil that up for about 15 minutes or so. And then you want to cool it down a little bit so it's not piping hot. And now that mixture that we did with the vinegar mixture, so we're gonna go ahead and pour that into our rice. That vinegar, sugar, salt mixture. We have some sesame seeds here. So we're gonna put some sesame seeds in here. And we have some chili seasoning. It's like a chili seasoning I got from the Asian store. So it has different types of sesame seeds, but like black sesame seeds, but it also has like different type of chili peppers in it. So we're gonna put that in there. And we're just going to fold that into our rice. We have some avocado tuna that I got from the store. So I've already drained it, put it in a bowl. And what we're gonna season is just gonna be really easy. We're gonna use the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce, the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce for this. So, and this is another way that you can use one of my products. This is DivineKuizine. It's like a dressing, so you can use it on fish. You know, make your tuna, your pasta salads with it. Fried fish as dipping. So it's very universal. It's very good. To get this, you can get this from DivineKuizine.com or on Amazon. And if you're in the Atlanta area, we're at the Beaver's Farmers Market. So we're gonna use that, and for a little more spice, this is kind of sweet and spicy. We got some Gochujang, I think it's Gochujang paste. So let's go. So we're gonna take some of the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce, pour that in there. Then we're gonna take some of this chili paste, the Gochujang chili paste, and that's probably about a teaspoon. And then we're gonna mix all this together. And a tad bit of salt. And we're gonna just mix all that together in the tuna, because this will be our filling. And now we have our seasoned rice, we have our spicy tuna, and I got this little gadget that makes them into, supposedly it's supposed to make it into perfect triangles. So I got this at the Asian store, so I'm gonna take some of my rice and I'm gonna mold it in the mold. I'm gonna take our spicy tuna. You don't have to put a lot in there. The first time I think I put too much. And then we're gonna take some more rice. Perfection. So let's do this again. Got the hang of it, y'all. Perfect. It's spicy, but then it has a little sweetness to it. It's perfect for seafood. Perfect for seafood, you guys. Y'all, so we're getting ready to pan fry these and get them crispy. Have it on medium to high heat.
up, and once they crisp up, we're gonna flip them to be a little golden brown on the other side. And now we're gonna brush them with our sauce from earlier. Onigiri done. And I'm gonna wrap it with a little bit of nori paper, sesame seed paper. And it's good to do it while it's hot because it'll stick. Okay, y'all, so we just finished making our onigiri with our nori paper on there. I have a little bit of dipping sauce for the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce that we can dip these with. So we did them with the spicy tuna, so I can't wait to go in and taste. I'm gonna taste it with it. And I'm gonna taste it with, and I'm gonna tell you what both will taste like. I'm gonna dip a little bit of it. Oops. I'm gonna dip a little bit of the Remoulade sauce. It gives me so much like sushi. Like just sushi, maybe because I did the sushi rice and you got the sweet tuna in there. It's kind of like a spicy, well, I just got a pepper. A spicy tuna in there, and it is crispy on the outside. And then if you dip it with the, I like it better dipped with the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce, and I'm not just saying that because it's my product. It's good. Like when I put the base of the teriyaki, it's kind of like a teriyaki taste, kind of like with the soy sauce, and then I had the sweet chili sauce mixed in together, and a little bit of what was it, sesame seed oil that you glaze on that. That really brings the brightness of the onigiri out. It tastes really good. It's nice and crispy. It's good with the nori wrap on it. This is easy, it's quick. I like this because it's like you're hungry around the house, you just want a nice little snack, and you can stuff it with different things, with vegetables. We did the spicy tuna, salmon. So this is a must make. Real easy, real quick. Doesn't take hardly any time. And if you don't have the mold, you can do it with your hands as well. Pan fry them up. You got a great little snack. Don't forget, this is a key to it. The DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce, great for dipping. You see that we mixed it in with our spicy tuna. Great item to have, dressing to have, a great pantry item to have in your house. To get this, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all, Shay.